Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Dundee University's eVision account. Let's get started. So if you want to log into your Dundee University's eVision account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Dundee University's eVision login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says eVision University of Dundee, and from here it will take you to this page where you have to enter your Dundee University's email address. Just enter that. So after entering your account's email address, what you can do is just enter the password for your account. After entering the password, you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, which you can find over here. Just tap on forgot my password, and after tapping on forgot my password, you can easily reset or record your account's password. So you can also head over to this link which you can find in the bottom of your screen. So here you can see go to dundee.ac.uk/help for you if you have forgotten your password. So you can also head over to this link to reset or recover your password. So after resetting or recovering your password, what you can do is just come back to this. After resetting or recovering your password, what you can do is just come back to this sign in page and then enter the new password that you have recovered and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Dundee University's eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.